Hi, I'm Jo Steiert. I'm a clinical director for ambulatory surgery in the Continental division of HCA Healthcare in Denver, Colorado. I've been a perioperative nurse for over 40 years, and I've been a very active member of AORN during my career. In fact, I'm the past president of AORN. One thing that I really appreciate about being a member of AORN is the opportunity to attend different kinds of educational workshops, such as the upcoming Reimagining the OR. When I think about reimagining the operating room, the first thing that I have heard and I say is we always need more space for our ever-growing needs of equipment due to technology advances. But I would also like to challenge us to think about the right space. I can't tell you about how many operating rooms I've gone into, and the circulating nurse has his or her back to the patient, to the sterile field, because of the placement of the computer, the desk, wherever the person who's circulating needs to chart. They can't really pay attention to what's going on during that surgical procedure because of that poor design and placement of the computers. I'm really looking forward to sitting down with designers, planners, other perioperative practitioners, and administration to be open and frank in talking about what our needs are and how we can best meet our needs as we're reimagining the ORs for the future. I really hope you'll consider joining me.